No matter where we've been camping this year, been in 16 different states, and we always needed a fan. Even up north, you want to keep air moving, and it's been hot this year everywhere, so having these portable fans has just been amazing. This one from Aoprix has got a lot of features. Let's take a look at it. First off, they come in a bunch of different colors. This one is their black version. When you turn it on, you've got lots of different stuff happening here. So we've got the fan, and there's 4 speeds of fan. Over on the right here, we're seeing the battery condition. We have 3/4 of the battery still. So we can run the fan, and now we can run the light. And there's 4 different modes for the light, and you'll get the battery condition there. Then you got a timer, and then you've got a mister. So you can put some water in here, and then when you put the mister on, you can take this little nozzle thing off, this nozzle cover, and what you'll get is a mist coming out from the fan that gives you that cooling. Last, you're going to get the ability to move it in different directions, and that's handy because often when this thing is hanging, should have mentioned there's also a hanging feature. You can pull this hook from the bottom and hang it, but when you're hanging it, you don't want it just pointing in no direction. So this way you can move it in whatever direction you want. What also is nice there, when you turn the light on, now the light is pointed in that direction as well. So this one we found to be really useful. I should mention that there's a remote control on the side, so once you're using it as a light or a fan, and it's up on the corner of the tent or something, you've got the remote control to use. And then you can also charge it on the back here, and you can also pull power from it, use it like a battery bank. So these things are great investments for camping. You get so much out of it. They're not real big. They do take some time to charge because they got large batteries, but once they're charged, you can run this fan typically all day long, literally with just one charge. Hope this helps.